Hey guys, it's Nick, also known as Zombo. First off, I'm going to say that I have to be quiet a little bit because there's people downstairs doing stuff here, and my mom dropped me off so I can work on some stuff. So, I'm going to be tightening the arm screw on this closer. I know it's not anything much, but I figured I'd try it. I have a tripod, so I'm going to experiment with it. I have one at my church that I just found, so here we go. Something simple, like I said, but I'm just going to do this because I can. So, let's get started here. First, take off the forearm bolt. Completely. Because you can't really tighten this arm unless you do this, or else it won't tighten. I don't really have to take it out of there, but... Oops. There we go. Okay, now I got a ladder. Stick this in my pocket and go up here. I hope you guys can hear me alright. Okay. So, like I said, this is nothing special. It's just because I wanted to. So yeah, like I said, this is about it. And this should hopefully make it not scrape on the door anymore. Much better. And now you have a perfect arm. That will not scrape on the oops. It's frame. Oh well. Better tighten up this shoe. You can see how much it moves. That's probably stripped, so I'm not going to tighten it anymore. Better. A lot better. So now, I will come down. I really hope you guys can hear all this. And we will test it with the forearm bolt, which is in my pocket somewhere. I hope. I think. Okay, hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta find out where my forearm bolt went. There it is. On the ladder where it's supposed to be. So, now we'll open this. Slide this in here. And loosely put this in. And then preload and tighten. Now we will make sure it's not going to scrape. Oh, I like that. See, used to it would scrape right there, but now it's got such a tight arm. And you can see if I push it, that's what happens. So yeah, slow latch, which is good. And that's it. Thanks for watching.